Hi, my name is Louise Lockhart. I'm an illustrator and the founder of The Printed Peanut, a one-woman business where I print my illustrations onto different products like bags, books, and even soap. Taking inspiration from old retro children's books and vintage print ephemera, I have created a recognizable style which has allowed me to collaborate with great clients such as Heels, Blue Q, and Cassetify. Illustrators always have the hope that they can make a living out of their brushes, but it's not always that easy. Having the right mindset focused on monetizing your work and making the most out of your tools can set you on a new path. Your drawings also need an effective marketing strategy and good presentation. An established network on social media will do the rest. But most importantly, you will have to find your own voice as you research your own personal style. In this Domestika course, I will show you how to create eye-catching products ready to be sold and attract potential customers with different marketing strategies. For your final project, you will design a screen-printed tote bag ready to be sent to the manufacturer. We will start by finding your own voice through research and writing down your ideas. Once your brand style is identified, we will choose which illustrations are best to apply to certain products. Then we will plan a beautiful design to go on the tote bag. After that, I will show you the different elements of production. We will look at how to set the right price and budget for our product, and I will teach you different marketing strategies that will help you reach potential customers. We will then see how to package and present your product, how to expand your product range, and finally, how to run your shop. By the end of this course, you will be able to carry out the design of your product from the initial sketches to the final sales strategy. To follow my lessons, you will only need basic Photoshop skills and the ability to draw and make imagery. This course is for anybody who is looking for tools to monetize their artwork. Are you ready to put your work out there? Come with me and make a living out of your art.